International and prestigious guest at the 5th Spazio Tesla Congress, Dr. Carlos Orozco, has over 20 years of experience in biochemical and clinical research and has been an associate researcher at the Karolinska Institute in Stockholm. He practiced natural and energy medicine, specializing in cancer support, sleeping, nutrition, quantum healing, and fertility. He lectures in chemistry and biochemistry at the Australia Institute and is the principal consultant in energy and informational medicine at the Sound Healthy Energy and Wellness Focus Center in Brisbane, Australia. He has worked over the last 15 years in the area of oncology, integrative and energy medicine. We want to ask what is resonance and what is epigenetics, and in which way are they connected?
The resonance is basically energy that is able to communicate through information among systems. To every action there is a reaction. The reaction is a resonance to an action, that is the sound waves, is what we call physics. Physics is the study of energy and how it changes into particles and how particles change into energy. So we got a dual behavior here, and one is resonating with the other one through coherence and communication. Epigenetics takes these signals, product of information through communication, and allows the genome to stay silent and allowing the proteins that make the autosomes and the chromosomes to be responsible for what we call the phenotype. This means we are not any longer victims of our genetics. And the reason being is that the environment plays a major role in the way we express and we silence genes. And resonance is the ability of these proteins through the cell membrane to receive these signals, decode them, and then translate them into what we call the phenotype. That means the way we look, the way we live. Every single thing in the environment has a tremendous influence in our state of wellness and well-being. We are not really conditioned by what our genes are saying, because the genes are active at all times, and the only thing that epigenetics does is silence them, and it's silencing them through something we call methylations. So we are an interactive system that between our macrocosmos and the microcosmos, and this is ruled by the rules of the something we call the microbiome, microorganisms that interact with us and we interact with them, and we depend on each other through something called commensalism.
Noi la ringraziamo per essere intervenuto, grazie a nome di Spazio Tesla, che è l'associazione che ha organizzato questo convegno, per il suo davvero preziosissimo contributo. Grazie mille.
Grazie, molto grazie, io sono molto